how to copy a post link. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to copy a post link on your Facebook. It's so easy and quick, so let's start. First thing, go to your Facebook app, and here let's choose one of those posts. All you need to do is click on those 3 points up there, and you're gonna find a copy link. Just click on it and you're gonna find copy link, which is the last option. Click on it, and now link to post, copy it. Just it's so easy. Click on those and you're gonna find copy link on the last option of those options, and now you can share the link with your friends on another apps or on your messenger. It's so easy. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.